I'm sure you've heard the news. Chicago winters are no joke, especially for restaurants. Is your heating system up to the task? Running a successful restaurant in Chicago means ensuring your customers dine in comfort, no matter the weather. At Restaurant HVAC Chicago, we understand the unique heating needs of restaurants, and we've got you covered. From routine furnace maintenance to 24/7 emergency repairs, our experienced team ensures your heating systems operate flawlessly. Need a full system upgrade? We handle that too. Our customized solutions are designed to minimize downtime and maximize comfort. What sets us apart? Our deep expertise in Chicago restaurant heating solutions and our unwavering commitment to exceptional service. Whether it's a furnace tune-up, an emergency repair, or a complete system overhaul, we have the skills and knowledge to keep your restaurant warm and inviting, no matter how harsh the winter gets. Don't let heating issues disrupt your operations. Trust Restaurant HVAC Chicago as your go-to partner for reliable, efficient, and affordable heating solutions. Give us a call at 877-627-5158 or find our website address in the description. Ensure your restaurant remains a cozy haven for your customers, even during Chicago's harsh winters.